guys? It's Intense Investor here, coming at you again for another episode on my YouTube channel. As you know, I'm a big advocate of trading bots, in particular crypto trading bots. I've had a lot of success with them. I started using them early in 2021. BITSGAP, I used it last spring, and then the end of 2020 I actually used CRYPTOHOPPER quite a good bit and made some really good gains. Then I started playing around with the leverage tokens on KUCOIN and started trading those in the BITSGAP grid bot using the S bot. I know there's an S bot version 2 right now, which I am going to make an update video on, but I have not gotten to that yet. But I am planning on it. But tonight I just want to cover these leverage tokens. I've been running Ethereum, ADA, Matic for like the past 4 days. I've been testing this out again since we had a little bit of a bull market like starting to form. Bitcoin had went above the 200-day moving average. It had been below it for a while, like all the way back to May. So I thought I would start to run a couple of these bots, set up a Matic one, set up an ADA bot, Cardano, and an ETH Ethereum one. So check out these results. I think you'll be impressed. It was really ripping the profits like crazy. So I'm going to explain too, like, the bot profit and then your overall profit that includes your investment change. And just remember, you got to be careful with these tokens because they also amplify your losses. Not only, can it triple your profit, it can also triple your loss. So just be careful there. And let's get into it. So like I was saying, guys, the results for these leverage bots that I've been running on KuCoin exchange have been just phenomenal. I mean, they just ripped the profits like you wouldn't believe. As you can see here, the bot profit in just the past 3 days, 22 hours has been $2,129. That's a 10% change on, I started around 21,000 some odd dollars. So that's literally like a 10% change almost just in 4 days, right? And then the sum total profit and loss, that actually includes the investment change of the coin itself, which is the ADA 3L, ETH 3L, Matic 3L. And when you look at these coins, like the price looks a little odd here. Like you'll see 0.02 when we know Matic, is like 90 something cents. So the price looks a little different. So you gotta also take into account that, like I was saying, if you get 3 times leverage, then your profits amplify, but your losses are also amplified as well. So be really careful if you run these. I've ran these before, so I kind of know what to expect with them. And now my total value is 23,000. So even though the coin itself has brought this value down, like this ADA coin, I made 676 bot profit, so it helped cancel out the actual change of the coin price decreasing, if that makes sense. Ethereum and Matic, those did really well. You can click on the chart here. You can see like $15 an hour, $7 an hour. Here's 11 an hour. I had some that were bigger than that. Yeah, here's one that's $34 an hour. I remember last year when I ran these on Cardano, when it went from like 50 cents to $3, I think I had like a $250 hour on one of these candles. So leverage tokens, if you run them in the grid bot, can be crazy. And the cool thing about it is you're not holding like, say, 21,000 in leverage tokens. A big part of that is also USDT, and your grid bot is at a level. So if the price goes down, it's going to buy a leverage token. If it keeps going down, it's going to buy on every grid level, right, that you got the steps set up on. These, I have them set on 0.7%. So, my fees are about 0.08%. So I'm still getting, like 0.70, like 0.62, something like that, percent profit once you take that 0.08% off. So still pretty good profit, just pretty much ripping it. Yeah, these things have really performed really well. Here you can see, like for the ADA, like I was saying, initial value $7,995. The current fund value is $8,057. That's taking into account all your USDT that you're holding and the ADA3 long tokens. So initial funds were 7,199 USDT and only 219 ADA. So like I said, you're not holding all the tokens in the leverage token. That's something you got to understand, because that makes a big difference. If you were holding all those tokens in the leverage token, the bot's not trading anything, you're just holding. So if the price goes down, it's going to look a lot worse than it does on this bot. So like I was saying, you know, the bots, say it's at a 0 level when it starts, price goes up, it's going to sell those leverage tokens. If it keeps going, then great. But if it dips, you know, it'll buy, you know, a couple, then the price goes up, it sells it. So you're not holding a complete amount or total amount of leverage tokens, right? That's what I like about doing them in the grid bot. And here we can see like on the ETH3 long, 10,000 started with almost 4 days ago. Now I got 10,800 in that bot. And then the let's see, the Matic bot, it did really well. Only $3,715, $3,715, and now I got $4,240. So $686 profit and loss when you combine the bot profit with a little bit of a change in the leverage tokens. So really good results. I got some older videos you can watch, you know, on these tokens as well. And, you know, I really highly recommend you watch that video. You know, check this video out. You pretty much set the bot up the same. You know, you go through KUCOIN, the API, you got to hook that up just like you do a regular grid bot. This is a S bot, just like the other S bots that I run. And I am going to do an update on the new version 2 S bot that they're letting people trial run. But yeah, 67 levels, like I said, 0.7 grid step. So between each one of these grids, there's 0.70% of that total fund that is split up amongst all your grids. So however many grids you got, whatever capital you want to run in the bot, it's going to split that between each of these grids. And that's how that works, right? So then it divides your profit up too. You know, whenever the price goes down, you're buying, or the bot's buying, not you. And then when it goes back up, the bot's selling. So that's really just how that works. You know, that's the gist of it. You can also back test these, you know, when you're setting them up, or you can modify them. Usually I just kind of set and forget. You know, I'm running the 5-bot strategy right now. I got these on one account, and I got my other bots on another account. So you can check those out. You know, in my other video, I have talked about those if you want to watch that video, the last one I made. But yeah, pretty much in 2021, I made about $60,000 in profit. 30,000 of it was bot profit. The others were just profit from the coin appreciating while it was in the bot. So when I closed the bot, I had some really nice profits. But I just wanted to show you guys this, just a quick video. If you are interested, I got links in the description. If you do the professional plan, or the highest tier plan on BITSGAP, you can get like 20 bots, I think. And I think they might be changing that too with the version 2 of the S bot, the one that they're letting people beta test. So like I said, video coming soon on the version 2 S bot. But just wanted to share this with you guys. You know, I thought you might find it interesting, just how good these leverage tokens actually do when you get to trading it. But that's all I got for now. You guys have a good evening. If I don't talk to you again, enjoy your weekend. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Talk to you later.